What's up, everybody? Welcome to the new opener for Healthier Home Products. With us, as always, we have Cleaning Ken, we have Erin, and we have a new guest today. I'm going to tell you about her in just a second, but before we do, this show is sponsored by My Kitchen. My Kitchen absolutely loves this product because it uses it every single day. It's not me, My Kitchen uses it, so I have to tell you about it. This is the all-purpose cleaner, and it smells like oranges. Why? Because it's made with something called dilanamine. Is that right, Ken?
Dilanamine, you were so close.
All right, dilanamine, and it smells like oranges. In fact, you get it from oranges, and that's what we do. We make clean products. So today, speaking of clean products that are good for you, we're going to talk about products that affect the largest organ of the body, which is your skin. Okay, and so today we have Sophia joining us from Pink Seed Co. How's it going, Sophia? How you doing?
I'm really good. How are you guys?
Very good. Where are you coming to us from? You're from far away, right?
I am. I'm in New Zealand at the moment, and it's supposed to be spring, but it's raining today.
That's okay. How are things in New Zealand? Are things safe?
Yeah, we're pretty good over here. We're
good. And how are you doing today, Ken? Feeling good?
It's raining here too. I was just gonna say we're comrades in arms. It's as it's spring by you, it's fall to us right now. Yesterday was a spectacular day. Leaves are burning, beautiful colors, just gorgeous oranges and reds. But today was a real wake-up call with the temperature dropping, the rain. It's coming. Corey doesn't know, we actually have winter around here. Last year when he was here in Halloween, what do we have on the ground?
I was so scared. I couldn't even drive anywhere. I couldn't drive 2 hours because I was really scared. So I had to call Ken to pick me up. It's like, Dad. Yeah. Hey, Erin, how's it going? How's school in the office going?
Really good. I actually get a break today because it is Columbus Day, so there is no school. So it's been a productive day for me here. But all things considered, we made it through the first quarter of school and we survived and we didn't kill each other. So I count that as a win.
I love it. I love it. Well, let's get talking about our skincare. Now, I know that, most men don't really think about their skincare, okay? But I'm here to tell you, I'm the opposite, okay? I care about my skin. I care about my house. I like to clean. I like to vacuum. And that makes me what I like to call special. It's because I like smelling good, people. I like smelling good. After I passed by my stairway and my daughter passed me the other night, she was like, Dad, you smell great. Like, hey, thanks. That's because I got some good stuff from my friend Sophia. So, Sophia, what is it about your specific product that, by the way, is like just coming out? Like, this is a brand spanking new product. What is it about it that makes it different than other lotions on the market?
Well, for a start, it's completely clean. So there's no emulsifiers, no preservatives, like no nothing. It's just oils, waxes, and butters. So, some places you see key ingredients, like on our list, you see all of the ingredients. There's nothing, just nothing hidden, just completely clean.
Love it. And I'm going to give everyone a quick glimpse at the website. Is this where we would go to purchase the product? I'm going to just show you guys kind of what it looks like and also kind of walk you through the website. This is your website, correct, Sophia?
Correct. Yeah.
There it is. And these are your products. Now, I noticed that these, I actually have the product, and these are in glass. Is there a reason that you put them in glass bottles?
Yeah. So, one, we want to be, sustainable. So we don't want to use any plastic and create more plastic in the world. But also these are in what we call Miron bottles. They're phototonic, so they actually protect what is inside the bottle. So it's
kind of like olive oil?
Longer.
Is that kind of like olive oil? The bottle protects what's inside? Corey, you probably know a little bit about that.
Yeah. I mean, you want to keep the product in a dark, cool space, right? I'm guessing, or does it get affected by temperature?
So this bottle protects it from the sunlight, so that the rays don't get into it to discolor it and make it go. It makes it last longer, basically.
So could you walk us through the products that you're launching right now?
I sure can. I have and all our packaging is also, it's in craft paper, so it's all sustainable as well. So we're trying to cover everything.
Right.
So this is our hemp breakup makeup balm, which if you don't wear makeup, Corey, you can still use to cleanse your face.
Okay. Yep. I do not wear makeup. No judgment for men that do, but for me, I'm solid.
Yeah, so it's a really good cleanser at the same time, but it's amazing to break up your makeup. So, and as you can see, it's like this cool yellow color because it's full of hemp, because hemp is one of the most, probably the most sustainable crop on the planet, and also amazing for your skin. And so with this product, you just take a little bit out, put it on your face, and then all your makeup just melts away, and then you just clean it with a cloth and some warm water, and your face feels like nourished. So you don't get that, when you clean your face, you get that like tight, ouchy, my face feels dry. So this keeps all the nutrients and beautiful oils in your skin rather than stripping them.
Nice.
Yeah. So that's our first product. And then afterwards, you would put a serum on your face. So you can use this morning and night. And I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's our antioxidant serum, obviously hemp-based as well. Mm-hmm. And it just, again, puts all the nutrients back in your face, hydrates, nourishes, and it's also amazing for anti-aging. So if you've got little fine lines and things like that, and it's really good for all skin types. So dry, everything. Yeah. And then our last one, which I know is your favorite, Corey, is our body butter elixir.
Yeah.
And so it's full of again, hemp, but yummy butters as well. So when you're putting it on your body, it's more nourishing.
Mm-hmm. It also makes you look like a pro wrestler, and it makes me look like I have more muscles. So I just rub it all over, and then I flex in the mirror for several minutes.
So
is that TMI? Is that a TMI for everyone?
Just right, Corey.
Thank you.
We'll have to make an advert of that one, I think.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Any questions there, Erin?
I kind of do. I've not ever really been much for a skincare routine. I guess I was a little lazy in my youth, but now that I'm getting a little older, I'm starting to notice that my skin is a little bit drier, and fortunately I really haven't started noticing too many wrinkles, but I expect that to change in the near future. And I guess I want to kind of get ahead of the game and start incorporating a better skincare routine. But
honestly, it's probably because you haven't been using all these horrible products on your skin that your skin looks great. Because for so long, the majority of us have been using these products that we think are really good, and they aren't, and they're actually drying our skin out and damaging our skin. And so your skin probably looks amazing because you haven't been using that. But obviously, yes, as you do get older, your skin will naturally age. So you want to try and give it the nourishment and hydration that it needs. But the products that are out there that, we've been using for years are horrible.
Yeah. Yeah. I think, does it build up over time? Do you feel like this is something that, if you're using some of these toxic products on your body every day, it's something that builds up over time, or is it something that you feel the immediate effects? If I were to switch from just some generic store brand that's just garbage to your product, would I notice a difference immediately, or would it be more of a long-term play?
So there's two ways to look at that. If you're using products on your skin that were bad and you've been using them for a long time, you might not know the effects of what that is causing to happen to you internally for years to come.
You're right.
But when you've been using products that aren't good for your skin, and then you use products that are really good for your skin, in a week, you will your skin will just feel yummy. It will just feel nice. So you will feel the difference. Yeah.
I feel like that's the same with cleaning stuff.
Totally.
Ken, talk about that. I mean, you feel it in your chest. I mean, you can feel it because you're coughing and wheezing.
There is. I mean, it's a beautiful
synergy.
Synergy of thought on, because this is what we do. We tell people, your lungs are a tremendous route of exposure to toxic chemicals. And when you think about the average baby being born with over 300 chemicals in its body, that's not good. But your skin, as Corey pointed out at the beginning of the show, your skin is the largest organ of your body. And you keep subjecting your skin over and over to these toxic chemicals, they get drawn in. And they start to stress organs. They start to stress your skin. You get dermatitis and all kinds of things. What's the magic point? I'm not exactly sure, and anybody can tell you that magic point, but why even get started if you don't have to? And that's what is so nice about your products as well. I mean, we talk about on the cleaning chemicals, you don't have to use toxic chemicals. You don't have to use toxic chemistries as well. I mean, I had a blessing from the Lord, I guess, that I don't have dry skin. But in this climate, as winter approaches, we have heating that sucks the humidity out of everything, and it sucks it out of your skin. So I had a lady friend who told me, use coconut oil. And I did that. But the problem with that I see, and maybe you could talk to this, Sophia, is that it feels great when it goes on, it absorbs, but it doesn't last very long. And I'm assuming there's a solution that you have in these three products.
Yeah, so and with oils, I always say, if you're just using one oil, you put it on your skin, and like Corey said, you get that kind of shiny effect. But with ours, our products are put together in such a specific way that you could just put your clothes on straight after, and it wouldn't go all over your clothes. And so that, I think that's one big difference with oils, is that if you're just using one oil, they tend to be really greasy, right? But our products are put together, honestly, you change a percentage of our product and it all goes out. It's crazy, but they're put together in such a perfect way that you don't get that greasiness. You just get that lovely silky feeling. I'm one day we'll be able to be here, feel this over the internet.
It's so true though. Silky feeling is exactly how I describe it. It's silky and soft. Yeah. So I love it. Well, right on. Let's talk for a minute about what's going on in the healthier home products world. Aaron, I'm smelling through the screen. It smells like Christmas. Is that correct? I mean, I'm just trying to leak a little bit of information here. It smells like Christmas. Is that correct?
You are correct. It is smelling a lot like Christmas.
Good.
And I'm pretty excited about it.
Yeah.
Do we have a label we can share with Corey?
Oh, you want to reveal it? You want to reveal it?
I think we should.
I think that's a great idea.
All right, fine. Well, darn it, I don't have my. Wait, no, I don't have my Clean Walls. Nope, I don't. My Clean Walls tool here, but I do have the very first look at Christmas in a bottle, my friends. This is a very special edition of the 5-Minute Clean Walls spray. So if you want your house to smell like the holidays, all you got to do is spray a little bit of this magic. And, not only is Santa going to come, but his elves and also the reindeer. So if you want Santa to come to your house, you've got to buy this. Forget about those elves on shelves. You got to look at this. Okay. So this is where it's at. It'll be available probably next week on the website. So we're very excited about that. And I'm happy that they let me reveal that information on this exclusive video. Yeah.
So Sophia, if somebody were interested in this tremendous product line with the Pink Seed Company, where would they go to maybe look at a bundle?
Yeah, so you can go to my website, and if it's okay with you guys, I'll also drop a link below, which will give you a little bit more information about everything as well.
Love it.
And I was just thinking about the whole cleaning products thing, and I've just got to. Sorry, a second. I just have some technical difficulty.
No, it's good.
I was just thinking about the whole cleaning thing, and it's the same with skincare. Once you're used to, we've all been used to using products for cleaning that aren't very good for you. But and the same with skincare, once you switch to something that is good, if you ever go back to that other stuff, you'll smell that it's not good for you. I can't even walk down the aisle of a supermarket that has cleaning products down it anymore. It's just it gets to my chest. But it didn't used to, I didn't used to be like that. So it's once you're used to using those cleaner products, then you'll never go back to using the other stuff.
Love it.
Brilliant. Well, folks, I hope you've enjoyed yourselves. It's 15 minutes into the show, and that means it's time for us to round it up. But listen, check the comments, because in the comments, you'll see a comment from Sophia, and she will give you a special link. In addition to that, make sure you go check out pinkseedco.com. That's where you can read and learn all about her products. You know what they look like, and they're beautiful in their black glass bottles. And gosh, I'm telling you, I love them. I absolutely love them. I use them every day, rub it on my head. I rub it on my body. It's great. It sounds wonderful, feels wonderful. So go check it out for that silky feeling. And then stay tuned, because your house is going to smell like the holidays pretty soon here, friends. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching, everybody. And we will see you next time. Have a great, great week.